Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the contact list because we've got two different ways to block a number. Let me show you the first one using directly the contacts and then I'll show you another way using the dialer settings. So let's find the contact you would like to block and tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on block number, and as you can see we've got the information that we will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see here we've got the information that this number is blocked. Obviously you can unblock it the same way just by tapping on this three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the very first way of how to block a number. And now let me show you another one, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Here we have to find blocked numbers, and as you can see this is the blacklist and that's the number we just blocked from our contact list. So you can here add a number manually, so you do not have to have it saved on the contacts. Just tap on add a number, and as you can see you can manually enter it. Just tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see the same situation, it immediately appears on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got the unknown option, which is quite useful because after activating it just by tapping on this switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. So of course you can turn it off the same way. So if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.